Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do, and remember to press the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video they will notify you. Okay, this will be the last video on partial fractions, where we have one of the factors of the denominator is irreducible and repeated. Example, we have x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus x plus 1 over x bracket x squared plus 1 squared. Now, so the factor x squared plus 1 is irreducible, it cannot be factorized, and it's also repeated. No, so as we learned in the previous videos, if the denominator is not quadratic, the factor is not quadratic, the numerator will be constant. But if the factor is the denominator is quadratic, then the numerator will be linear. So that means we have this will give us a over x plus bx plus c over x squared plus 1 plus dx plus e over x squared plus 1 squared. Now this is because the denominator, this factor x squared plus 1 is repeated. Alright, what do we do? As usual, we multiply both sides by the common denominator, and when we multiply this side by the common denominator, so that we have x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1 over x bracket x squared plus 1 squared, everything times everything we multiply x, okay, if I do this, times x bracket x squared plus 1 squared equals, so a over x plus bx plus c over x squared plus 1 plus dx plus e over x squared plus 1 squared, everything times x bracket x squared plus 1 squared. Now, why do we say the denominator cannot be factorized? Because x squared, if we say x squared plus 1 equals 0, that means x squared equals minus 1. The solution will be imaginary solutions. Alright, so now, so quickly, this one we cancel this. So on this side, we are left with x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1, which will give us this times this. The x will cancel, it will remain a times x squared plus 1 squared, okay, plus this times this. The one of the x squared plus 1 will cancel, we will be left with bx plus c bracket times x, then times x squared plus 1. Then if this multiplies the x squared plus 1 with square will cancel, plus dx plus e, everything times x times x. Okay, so quickly this one, that's a bracket. This one is the form of a plus b squared, which will give us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so that means this will give us x, that will be x squared square again, that is x raised to the power 4 plus 2 times x squared times 1, that means plus 2x squared plus 1, then plus this x we multiply the b, so that we go we multiply each of these ones, this will give us bx raised to the power 3 plus cx, then times x squared plus 1, then plus dx squared, this x multiplying, plus ex. Now, so this one will give us ax raised to the power 4 plus 2ax squared plus a, then plus this times this, that will give us bx raised to the power 4, then plus bx raised to the power, okay, this one is actually, when x multiplies this, is bx raised to the power 2. So this times x, bx raised to the power 2, bx, so this one will give us, so bx raised to the power 4 plus bx raised to the power 2 plus cx raised to the power 3 plus cx plus dx squared plus ex. Now, so we collect like terms. That's ax raised to the power 4 plus bx raised to the power 4. All the factors that have, the terms that have x raised to the power 4 have gone. Then plus, we have only this one that has x raised to the power 3 plus cx raised to the power 3. So it has gone. Then plus 2ax squared. Then plus dx squared. So x squared has gone. So we are left with, okay, we also have bx squared here. So we have bx squared plus dx squared as well. Alright, so this one also, the 3 have gone. Then plus cx plus ex. So this one and this one also have gone. So plus a plus a. Alright, so we factorize. So that will be a plus b bracket x raised to the power 4 plus c times x raised to the power 3 plus we have 2a plus b plus b bracket x raised to the power 2. All of them they have x raised to the power 2 plus c plus e times x then plus a. So, and this is what is on the left hand side. We have x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 3 plus x squared. X raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1. So, whatever is the coefficient of x raised to the power 4 here, we also get the coefficient of x raised to the power 4 here, and the coefficient here is 1. So, we are saying that a plus b equals 1. Whatever is the coefficient of x cubed, we be the same thing here. So c equals 1. Whatever is the coefficient of x, that means we are saying 2a plus b plus d equals 1 as well. And whatever is the coefficient of x here will be, so we are saying that c plus d, c plus e equals c plus e equals minus 1, and finally a equals 1. And so, and from all this, if a equals 1, let's come and substitute here and get the value of b. In the first equation, we substitute for a in the first equation. So that means we are saying that 1 plus b equals 1. So that means b equals 1 minus 1, b equals 0. So that means our a equals 1, our b equals 0, right? Now let's substitute for a and b here to get the value of b. Okay, our c is already 1 here. Our c is 1 as well. Our c equals 1. Now let's come here to substitute to get the value of d. So we are saying that 2 times 1 plus 0 plus d equals 1. So that's 2 plus d equals 1. So that means d equals 1 minus 2. So that means d equals minus 1. So d equals minus 1. D equals minus 1. And what is the value of e? So we substitute for, we get the value of e from here. So we say that c plus e equals minus 1, right? So, and we say that the value of c is 1. That means 1 plus e equals minus 1. So e equals minus 1 minus 1. So e equals minus 2. So our e equals minus 2. Alright, what are then the solutions of our partial fractions? Okay, what are our partial fractions rather? So we rub off all these. So we are saying that everything like this, x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1 equals our a is 1 over x plus b is 0. So that means b times x will be 0 plus c. That means we are saying our c is 1 plus 1 over x squared plus 1. So our d is minus 1. So that means plus minus 1 minus x. Then our e is minus 2 over x squared plus 1 squared. So, but instead of writing it like this, we bring this minus 1, we factorize by minus 1, and that will be minus 1 bracket x plus 2, and we bring the minus 1 that will be, this will be our answer. So we are saying that x squared over this over x bracket x squared plus 1 squared. So we give us all this. 1 over x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 minus x plus 2. No need to put this bracket over x squared plus 2 plus 1 squared. So this is the fourth category. So if you watch the 4 videos, you are good to go in partial fractions. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay blessed.